Starting around May 23, 2023, HEX is trading at 5 cents in terms of its USD rate, with a value change of 1.26% in the last 60 minutes. This is a very large amount, and PAX have a market cap of $9,940,737,804 and a 24-hour trading volume of 24,147,912. What will HEX really be worth in 2023, which is a really big deal? Is it a good investment? Is it especially worth buying in 2023? Well, the price of HEX will probably beat its record-breaking high enough for the most part to be a really big deal. In a real sense, these are what we think HEX will cost in the future in a big way. HEX Value Forecast 2023 is very important. According to the HEX Gauge Price and Technical Analysis, the HEX price is expected to cross a normal value level of 7 cents in 2023. The average least value worth of HEX at the end of the current year should be 7 cents, despite what most people think. HEX can also reach a truly highest value level of 8 cents in a very significant way. HEX Value Estimate May 2023. The HEX figure for May 2023 predicts that the HEX may will be worth at most 6 cents, with a typical lease cost of about 5 cents, or so they thought when talking about how the average value HEX can go up to 6 cents for May, which is a very large amount. HEX value figure for June 2023, the price of HEX is expected to be around 6 cents, while the price of point could be anywhere between 6 cents and 6 cents. HEX Value Gauge July 2023. The cost of HEX in July 2023 may be worth as little as 6 cents and as much as 7 cents, which is a big difference. They thought that the average price of HEX would hit 6 cents in July 2023. HEX Value Gauge September 2023 and September 2023. The highest price for HEX could be around 7 cents, and the lowest price for HEX in August 2023 could be as low as 6 cents, or so they thought. HEX Value Gauge September 2023. The price of HEX in September 2023 may actually be worth no more than 6 cents, while the most expensive gouache cost in a realistic sense is around 7 cents. In an unpretentious way, the average price of HEX essentially is expected to hit 6 cents in September 2023. HEX value, what to expect. Contrary to what most people think, the HEX price is expected to drop to 6 cents in October 2023. A HEX cost could reach a maximum price of 7 cents, and the average estimated price was also around 7 cents. HEX value guess by the end of November 2023, the sort of average price of HEX could reach 7 cents, which shows that the basically average price of HEX is expected to reach 6 cents in September 2023. They thought that HEX could be worth as much as 8 cents and as little as 7 cents. They thought that the price of HEX in December 2023 could be between 7 cents and 8 cents, while the average trading price should be around 7 cents. This is a big difference, and it shows how far HEX has come since its value analysis in the past. Over the past 24 hours, the value of crypto has dropped by 4.77%, showing that HEX could trade around a maximum value of 8 cents and a minimum value of 7 cents. If we compare the current market cap of HEX to what it was yesterday, we can see that the market cap is also down in a very big way. HEX is having a hard time catching up with other crypto coins in a simple way. The HEX have gone down to 11.61% in the last week, which is very important. The coin is still showing risk with its outlining parts. Not many coins could have big areas of strength for so long, but we don't think this one would. In spite of what most people think, the price of HEX has dropped by 29.141% in the last month, which is the equivalent of 2 cents off its current price. This is especially important because the average price of HEX is expected to reach 6 cents in September 2023, which is a very important date. This sudden drop generally means that the coin is in plunge right now, which means that it can be a good time to buy and invest quickly, which is very important. The 90-day price change is around 58.24%, and the price went from a low of 2 cents to a high of 2 cents. So, we think that similar parts of the market were very popular in a big way at that time. According to the most recent data, the trading volume of HEX has grown a lot in the past 4 months. The trading volume is an important job, and the coin's price has gone up by 68.08%. The highest average price of the coin in general was. HEX value guess 2023 FAQs. What will HEX sort, which is usually worth a lot, be worth in 2023? The price of hexes is expected to reach a high of 8 cents and a low of 7 cents by the end of 2023. This is contrary to what most people think. HEX has a great chance of reaching new levels, as shown by the fact that its value is expected to rise to at least 6 cents by October 2023. This is in contrast to what most people think, which is that HEX will lose value. HEX's value is expected to keep going up because a lack of supply will allow prices to drop in a quiet way. However, there is always a risk with any business, so it's important to focus on what you can do before making any decisions. The price of Bitcoin is $26,842.32, down -0.83% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin fell in the opposite direction, from $27,400 the day before to $26,700. Edel Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex, said that the drop could be tied to the ongoing debt ceiling talks in Washington, D.C. and changes in regulations. The worth of even some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies was going down. Both Solana and Cardano dropped by almost 2%. All of the values of Ethereum, BNB, Polkadot, and Litecoin went down. At the moment, the total volume of DeFi is 2.02 billion, which is 6.4% of the total 24-hour volume of all cryptocurrencies. All stablecoins are now worth $29.18 billion, which is 92.43% of the entire 24-hour value of the crypto market. All coins together were worth about $1.13 trillion on the market, which was 0.81% less than the day before. With a market capitalization of over $521 billion, Bitcoin is the most expensive cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin is the market leader right now. Bitcoin had trouble breaking $27,500,